All right, so you want to be close to the beach, but you don't want to be in Sea Pines or Palmetto Dunes, or you don't want the crazy of South or North Forest Beach. Well, Folly Field is a great option. And right behind me is a 3-bedroom that's literally a 5-minute walk for me to the beach. It's a ranch with a swimming pool, so it's got all the bedrooms on the same floor, which is great, and it's been completely updated. Let's go see what it looks like inside. Wow. So they said updated from top to bottom, and you can see that. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Coming in here to this main room. Oh. So bright. Look at the attention to detail up here in the fan. Wow, look at that TV. That TV is built into the wall there. I don't know if you can tell from here. That built-in fireplace. Lovely pool. Looks like all the doors and hardware are new. Everything stays except that piece right there from Grandma. Doesn't fit in here anyway. And this right here, look at that. It's beautiful. That stays. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. So the kitchen was redone. It wasn't redone long ago, but it appears the owners here have redone this place more for themselves. You've got all high-end. This is an induction Wolf. Then you've got 2 Bosch over here, another Bosch here. So everything's kind of high-end. Wine. They created this more for themselves, and now I've had a change of hearts because there's a lot of rentals over here. What's going out here? Love the way this is set up. Kind of walk right through. Great dining area. That whole inside-outside living. This is perfect. Nice big fence, so great privacy. Hilton grill here. That's a GE. That's nice. And a fireplace ready to go. Now, big 2-car garage in here. Now this is climate controlled in here. So while they've got all their stuff in here, you can see one of these wall units here. So this is great. I think they blew in insulation. Now the one nice thing they also thought about here was a little half bath. So if you're wet, you don't need to go inside. So right now there's some painting being done, so that's being finished up. Big open house this weekend, should do well. Now, if we go back this way, here's where you've got the 3 bedrooms. The first one's here on the left. Looks like a queen, maybe. So everything's been redone. You know, all the hardware, the doors. Now you've got a shared bath here. Love that skylight. Look at all that light coming in. So a shared bath here with the 2nd bedroom. It's got a double as a desk right now, or an office. You could throw in some twin bunks over here. You could really get probably 4 people in here. And now, owner suites in here. So, well, you've got TVs in every room. You can see the TV in the owner suite is much nicer. Nice big one there. Love the floor everywhere. It's great. And now they've got a closet here for him. A closet for her here. Right, so 2 walk-ins, nice. Desk, interesting. So they've redone the whole place, but they've kept this when this was redone recently. But it's got a different feel and texture. It's, you know, it's got browns. Everything else has been kind of grays and whites. So it's interesting feeling in the difference. You can definitely feel that. It's a lovely, lovely place. So, as I said earlier, you know, it was kind of redone with the mindset of living here, but it makes an amazing rental. I'll check and see what the numbers are, what the estimates are, but so beautifully done. Such great attention to detail. Give me a call if you want to talk more about it.